Crude oil, after showing a swing yesterday, where hitting the highs at 63.2, it retraced, it is again now started to move up and has already seen 62.20 levels. While natural gas uh, hitting the highs at 3.9 again has erased against and moved towards the next critical support at 3.8, 3.82. So now what to expect today from oil and gas? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and a proper reasoning for you to take a particular trade at a particular price point, be it on the buy side or on sell side, and profit daily basis. And thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. Oil on the hourly charts, after hitting the highs, it has retraced, it has found its support here. And see, earlier I have mentioned the preceding resistance 61.2 should be a support. Now what has happened, prices moved closer and bounced back, and thus again it is proven, as long as now 61.2 is not taken, do not treat oil as bearish. What has happened since then? After hitting the lows, it is bounced back. My only worry point is, see, the bearish candles are sharp and the reversal candles are with moderate body size, and thus we have to be cautious here. Now we have to wait for oil to trade beyond 62.40, 62.60 zone, and if it trades beyond 62.4, 62.6, you can expect 63, 63.2. And if 63, 63.2 is taken, possibly we are ready for a good round of rise here. The stochastic is overbought. The MACD after retracement has crossed over. Signs are bullish here. RSI is trading comfortable. Coming to 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour charts, the price is retraced here towards 20 period and now looking upwards. And see, it has found a very good support from the 20 period moving average. And thus, it is very important for oil to trade beyond 61.2 in order to confirm a reversal. In fact, now when you see oil staying beyond 62.4, or in fact 62.2 itself, that is, the lower price has to be above 62.2, you can initiate a buy and expect 62.5, 62.6, and then 63, 63.2. The stochastic overbought here. The MACD has crossed over, trading with moderate bearishness here, though it is not retraced, but it is right now showing a slight bearish intent. RSI is rising, which is a supportive sign for the bulls. On the 3 hour, we have similar observation here on the 3 hour charts. The crossover in the moving average and the divergence here is clearly suggestive of bullishness here. Also higher lows and higher highs. This is also suggestive of bullishness here. Where are the highs of this channel? Towards 64. So if crude oil today trades beyond 63, 63.2, stay bullish for 64 levels. That is going to be the next target zone. Notice it is trading in a nice bullish channel here, where the higher highs and higher lows are seen, and now it is trying to bounce back. So once it trades beyond 62.5, 62.6, stay bullish. The stochastic rising, see, only worry point is after the good rise, it is crossed over on the sell side. Though it is not that it cannot rise further, but right now it is trading on a sell side. RSI is trading at the top. Coming to the 4 hour chart, on the 4 hour charts also similar observation. Notice after forming a flat base here, it is trying to bounce back, and thus this has become a very strong support zone, and thus it is very important for oil to first break 61.4 and then 61 levels. This zone is going to remain critical. Also on the upside, now notice this is symmetrical, and now wait for it to trade beyond 62.4, 62.6 on the upside in order to confirm further rise. See, the stochastic is rising, which is a still bullish sign. The MACD is still in green. It has tried to cross over but failing to do so. But notice the move here: drop, rise, retracement, double top here, and if it crosses over, we are ready for a round of dump here. RSI near to overbought zone. Coming to the daily charts. Now see the daily. First on the daily charts, see, it has created a step. Yesterday was a good swing here. It has kissed the 50 period moving average and have shown a pullback. Now it is clear that what it is trying to do, it is trying to show increasing body size here. It is staying bullish. It might stay in green, and that is why it confirms that possibly it should not break 61 levels here, because below 61 what will happen, this will become the reversal and then it will show you a correction, sharper correction here. That is something you should keep an eye on. But right now the signs are not very much supportive of such a greater dip. If you see the stochastic, this is overbought. The MACD, after forming a double bottom, it has crossed over, trading with divergence, which confirms further upside here in oil prices. And the RSI is rising, which is also a confirmation of further bullishness. So considering this, now before I provide you the level, see how easily we have analyzed the charts and how easily we have arrived at the levels. And thus it is very important for you to also have this skill and art in order to trade profitably. Thus You can be part of my mentorship batch. The 33rd batch is announced for first week of June. Do not miss to join it. Reserve your seats now. We only have limited intake. Connect with me for your queries, else you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Write an email, ping me on Telegram for your queries, and if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a SAF-free account with lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now considering this, what I will recommend you to buy here at 62.2 levels itself. When you see the lower price above 62.2, you can buy, but then this is going to be a riskier. 62.5, 62.6 is going to be a very good resistance zone. If at all oil trades beyond 62.6, you can establish 62.6 is the level beyond which it will confirm the bullishness here, because beyond this I'll be looking forward to 63, 63.2 at the first target zone and 64 at the next. Beyond 64 is established for $65 levels very soon, if not today, tomorrow with the inventory data possibly. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 61.6 levels. If you see it is staying below 61.6, you can sell, but then 61.3 and 61. Till 61, I think it is not fair to stay bearish with oil. Only and only if it stays below 61. You can say now that it is a bear attack and you can look forward to a correction towards $60 levels and in fact 59.4. Below which 58.6, 57.8 should be there. And I have mentioned several times in last couple of days, till 57.8, do not treat oil as bearish here. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. See, natural gas, what did I share yesterday? See the drop, the retracement. The drop is sharp, retracement is gradual. What it is trying to do, it is trying to create a channel like this. And now once it trades below 3.8, what we will look forward to? We will look forward to 3.76, 3.7. And if it trades below 3.7, the targets are going to be towards 3.6 levels very soon, if not today. What's happening here? It is finding it difficult to stay below 3.8. 3.8 is now a very good support here. Stochastic oversold. MACD is crossed over for the sell. RSI is at bottom here. And on the 2 hour charts, notice the same formation, drop, retracement and reversal here. So now it is very important for gas to trade below 3.8 levels. Only and only if it trades below 3.8, you can expect 3.76, 3.72 levels. 3.72, 3.7, very good support exists here. Till then, do not treat this as bearish. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD trading bearish, RSI has dropped here. Coming to 3 hour chart. On the 3 hour charts, what has happened? Drop, retracement. See, series of bullish candle and one single red candle, it has erased all the gains here. And now once it trades below 3.8, it may confirm further bearishness, and specifically below 3.76, it should not come back on the upside. Then you can look forward to a correction towards 3.772, and then below that 3.6 is possible. Yes, it could try to show a reversal below 3.8 levels. Stochastic looking down, MACD sharply bearish, RSI has dropped here. And on the 4 hour chart, see, one important point on the 4 hour charts is the support it is showing from 20 period. Every time it is dropped towards 20 period, it has shown a bigger rise, and hence now this could not be another exception. If you see it is staying beyond 3.92, you can stay bullish. Beyond 3.92, it is very important for natural gas to break beyond 3.9596. Any move beyond 3.96 is a clear confirmation of the next targets towards $4 levels. And beyond 4, sky is the limit. We can look forward to 4.2, 4.4 very soon, if not today. Moving averages are trading bullish here. Stochastic has retraced while the MACD has crossed over for a sell. Trading with divergence looking downwards. This is not a good sign for the bulls though. RSI looking downwards here. Coming to the daily charts. Now see on the daily charts, see first of all, a step is created, a swing is seen yesterday, and today it is started with lower highs. And does it confirm that possibly this could be a red candle in making here? Now a red candle means first it has to move or break below 3.8 and then 3.76. Now 3.8, 3.76 is the most critical zone for net gas to break below, because below this possibly we will see 3.7 to 3.76, definitely a good support, and below that you can expect 3.7, 3.72 zone as the next support zone. If that is also taken, then possibly we are heading towards 3.6. But notice the crossover in the moving averages, which is on the buy side, which is a good bullish sign here. The stochastic is overbought, the MACD has crossed over, trading with moderate bullishness here, and the RSI is flat. So considering this, where you should buy? I'll now recommend you to buy if you now see it is staying beyond 3.92 only. As long as 3.92 is not taken, do not buy natural gas. Beyond 3.92 is where the bulls are waiting. You can expect 3.9596 and $4 levels. Beyond 4, Just stay bullish for above 4 towards 4.2 4.4 zone very soon, if not today but some point of time in this week. On the downside, I will now recommend a selling entry at 3.84 levels where you can expect 3.8. Now once it trades below 3.8, stay short for 3.76 3.727, and if 3.7 is taken, stay short for 3.65 3.6. Below 3.6, it's a crash in making in natural gas, chances for which appears to be less. However, these are markets. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.